Got 10 pips, chat. Got 10 pips.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Let's go.
Gonna close half of my positions here at 10 pips, locking my 10 pips. I got more than 10 right here, actually. 2 point. I got like a little 12. Yeah, nice. Now it's the risk free till TP. W chat. Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a great week. These are our starts of our weekly breakdowns. These are our best moments from the streams throughout the week. So from all the highlights from Monday to Friday will be clipped and put into this video. If you guys want to know more and you guys want to watch more, you guys can then tune to the streams every morning at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. All right, I'll catch you guys in the video. Peace. Yeah, it's a bank holiday, but we're still here. Like doesn't mean we have to take trades on stream today, but it is a bank holiday. It's US bank. What day is it? Canada was yesterday, wasn't it? Why is there a bank holiday today? Independence Day. I see. Okay. You know why? I don't like impulse entry strat? Because it's emotional. And you guys know me when it comes to emotional. I don't like emotional. I don't like any type of trading style that requires emotions. How many times have you guys heard someone say, well, I think price will break below here, or I think price will break above here? What's the one key word that they're saying? Think. Right? Think. So I think price will fall. What is think? What is that? Think is emotions. When you have emotions in trading, you guys know what that is? That's called RNG or energy. Yeah, RNG, which means it means random. You know why it's random? Because emotions is feelings. And you guys know what feelings are? This is this. Feelings, guess what? Change over time. So this is why I hate impulse entries, because impulse entries is so random. It's like you're going off, you're thinking that price will fall, price will break, due to the fact that we have volume, which isn't the worst thing you can do. But at the end of the day, your feelings change over time, every day, every hour, right? Like this morning I was a bit more calm than I was right now. This morning I would not have taken that impulse entry, whereas now I would have taken that impulse entry if I was, if I was taking impulse entries, because I'm a bit more aggressive now, and I got more comfortable with the charts. But again, like those things change over time, and I hate anything that involves this. Anything that involves it's so random. That's why I always say do the same shit every day, because whatever I do every day is like a plan that I've like back tested, and I have a sample size for everything that I do. I don't just say random shit every day on my streams just to say it. Like I actually follow these plans and follow these rules and do certain things on my streams. I don't just say, well, chat, I think today I'm gonna take the impulse entry just because I feel like price will drop down. I want to catch this huge range here, and I'm gonna have an impulse like stop loss. Like it's just so like random and orange. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. But yeah, this is what you don't want to do in trading. And so here comes to this now. When you say yo, I'm a bank trader and I believe this is a bank trap, what are the words? Like what's the key word in that? I think this is a bank trap, or I believe this is a bank trap. This is a blank. Like how do you know it's a bank trap? Have you worked with the banks? Nah. You know what you're going off of? You're going off of this. Or another example. Don, I have a fib. I'm looking for a buy off the 61.8 fib. What is that? What's the difference between a 61.8 fib and a 32.8 retracement? Different levels on the fib, right? Different price reversal zones levels on a fib, right? But at the end of the day, how do you know if it's gonna bounce off the 38 or 61.8? You don't. You go off of this. And why would you want to go off of this? Or for example, a double bottom. What the fuck's a double bottom? Right? Oh, I see a W. I believe price will reverse now. Again, it comes down to this. You don't want to do these things in trading, right? So that's why everything I do now doesn't require this. I'm not thinking of emotions, because I know like the meaning behind everything that I do. Like just drawing support and resistance, for example. Like why did I draw a support and resistance here? I didn't just draw support here because I felt like it. I drew a support here simply because in the past, prices never closed below the range before. So the probability of us going down with us closing below the range is very high if we get a closure, because we're actually breaking below support now to continue down. But yeah, those are my thoughts on like every strategy out there for me, at least, right? That I've been through. Yeah, chat. Let's see. We have 4 minutes here before I look for positions. Am I gonna wait for a bond wick? Yes, I am. Yes, gonna wait for a bond wick off this new 1 hour candle, and then look for take positions after that. All right, chat. We have 30 seconds left here. I probably want a bond wick before we look for positions, though. Again, something like this or something would be ideal for us to drive. Right, and we'll continue up towards that resistance as we close above this resistance here, doing those wicks to the left couldn't do. I'm not in yet. Not in yet, chat. Not in yet. There's, waiting for a bond wick to be formed. Uh-oh, here it goes. Here could this be the bond wick?
Everybody's quiet.
Now that we created this though, I'm gonna need a decent bond wick. There it is. There's a flip. Chat, this is why we stay out. Oh, I'm gonna need a decent bond wick though, right? Due to the fact that we have pushed up, broke the highs, I'm gonna need a decent wick. Something like this in this area would be lovely, and then we flip, and then we enter on the flip of the candle. That'd be perfect.
You gonna stay out if it breaks any lows, 15 lows, 30 lows, or no?
No, just because like I actually want to break the 15 lows so we get the bond wick for 15. Perfect. There we go. And then now if we get if we respect the 1 hour lows, should be goody. So yeah, I'm gonna have a buy stop here on the flip at 1809. We didn't break the 1 hour lows yet, chat. Once you break the 1 hour lows, that's when the trade become invalid. But until then, the trade is still valid here. Uh-oh, this is perfect. Yeah, if we set the flipper, I'm gonna place a buy stop at like 1809.985 on the flip. It might use the current count lows actually because we came so close to the 1 hour lows for 24 pips and a TP of like 50 pips. Oh, I'm in chat. Trying to buy here, chat, after we have created a bond wick like we're waiting for. Stop loss is the current count low for 25 pips, current 1 hour lows, and TP is up here for around 53 pips. So in this buy position here. Perfect. Oh, nice. Gonna move my stops to break even here, making this a risk-free trade actually. And now gonna let it run risk-free until TP. Nice. Perfect trade, chat.
Nice.
No
Nice, bro.
drawdown. Everything's to the T.
Nice trade. W.
W1. Gonna actually close half of my positions here as well, locking in 10 pips here of my positions. And gonna let it run to go risk-free now until TP. Congrats, chat.
She's a runner, she's a
Buy
track
stops,
star.
patience, risk-free. Let's see what happens. Our entry was the flip of this candle. Let's even get a runner. I really want this runner to play through, but you really can't control it, obviously. Yeah, there it is. I got to stop the break even there just now. Perfect. That's fine, chat. Manage risk. We got our 10 pips. That was follow our plan. That's all we did there. Follow our plan. For that go trade, when it failed to break the previous candle low and continue up, bullish, was that your reason for entering? No. The reason for me entering was the fact that the 1 hour candle closed above the range here. So I couldn't enter after the opening of the candle because we had no top wick to it. So we understood that, or we had no bottom wick to the opening of this candle. So we expected the bottom wick to be formed somewhere. Once price came up, broke the highs and came down to create a bottom wick, we understood that that's the bottom wick being formed. The moment we flip bullish, that's our buy stop because that's like saying we're entering off the opening of the candle after creating a lower wick. So we had a buy stop there. Once price flipped, we got our 10 pips, break even, close half, and then break even after. But it was simply the fact that the 1 hour candle closed above. So there's a difference between entries versus setups. The setup here was the 1 hour closing above. We just couldn't get a proper entry in until our buy stop. And there's different ways of entering, obviously, but as long as your setup is there, that's all that matters.
You said, what would you consider your edge to be?
What does that mean?
Like, what's your? He's basically saying, he's basically asking what your strategy is. He's saying, why is your strategy not like better than 50-50? What makes your strategy profitable? Like, that's basically what he's saying.
Because we get put in situations where we don't have to predict and guess where the markets are going. We go off of just probability, and we have like the reasonings to every why in the book of whys in every single thing that we do, every little detail, as simple as drawing a line in your screen to simply waiting for a closure. We understand the reasons behind that, and we're not just saying price will go down, price will go up, price will flip here, price will reverse here, and that will decrease a lot of ego, which will give you a huge edge in the markets. I'm not here to focus to make 1,000 pips every day, make X and X amount every day. I'm here simply just to follow the market's bias for that given day, follow the trend.
How about sample size?
And
Like
catching
Don's
my
got a
piece.
ridiculous sample size for the trades that he takes. Like same trade over and over, and he knows how it does, how it doesn't.
I was just gonna say your edge is that you have like what 4, 5, 6 trade setups, and you do the same shit every single day. And his edge is that they're all high probability setups, and he just waits for them every day, and that's it. He's not greedy either, you know.
Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, like I have and what I mean by it when I say I do the same shit every day, it's not I make profits every day, chat. What I mean by that is I'm looking for the same setup, same exact trades every day. This is copy and paste every day. Copy and paste from yesterday. Copy and paste, copy and paste. I need a top wick here, chat. If you get a decent top wick and then we flip bearish, I'm looking to take a position. Stops are like gonna be at around 24 pips for a TP of 30 pips. Chat, I think I am going to have a sell stop right here at 150, 800 on GJ here as the 50-minute candle closed below the range here. I'm expecting minimum this wick to get filled and for this range to get filled as we come down to flip bearish. But we got our top wick here. We got all that good stuff that we're waiting for, right? 7 pip top wick now. And once you flip bearish, I'm looking to take a position, obviously, and for us to drop down. Oh, activated in the sell here, chat. Stops are pretty kind of high, and TP is down here for around 29 pips. So the moment we come down to fill this wick here, that will be around 70 pips in profit. That's probably when I'll move my stops to break even, making this a risk-free trade. And then gotta let the runner go, obviously, coming down towards 150, 509. Gonna move my stops to break even here, chat. We came down to fill that wick. This is now a risk-free trade. And let's see if we can get our 10 pips here. At 10 pips, I'm looking to close 60% of my positions, making it risk-free, and see what happens here. Yeah, my break-even, chat. This is the plan, right? I talked about this before with the trade where you activated. I said how as you fill this wick here, that wick on a small time frame is a minor support there. You want to move your stops to break even there because at that level, price may struggle there. But the overall idea is that we close below here. We should come down to fill this entire range here at 150, 513. So, oh, there's maybe we got nice. Got 10 pips, chat. Got 10 pips.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Let's go.
Gonna close half of my positions here at 10 pips, locking in my 10 pips. I got more than 10 right here, actually. I got like a little 12. Yeah, nice. Now it's a risk-free till TP. Did you just hit break even? Yeah, I don't want to look.
Yeah.
Oh shit, hit break even. This doesn't look okay. Cool. So we were able to lock in around 12 pips there, break even. We understood that minor support was a very, very, very decent level of support, and yeah, I got out that position there. Close half, got 12, 11 pips there. Nice. Oh, your ways to review your charts. So what you can do is after every trade you take, at the end of the day, you can, record yourself, screen record of you breaking down your trade setup and what happened and what your emotions were during that trade. Or you can just journal it. You just write down, make a spreadsheet, write down everything that went through your head within that trade. Like, why'd you take it? What were you waiting for? Was it a 4-hour closure? Was it a 1-hour closure? Whatever it is. And then in a different category, put emotions and put how you felt during the trade. Did you felt nervous? Did you felt confident? Did you feel scared? Whatever it is that you were feeling. And then you can look back at it and review those trades.